Tori on the beat.
Washington, D.C. has to be arguably one of the best places that I've ever visited. Many well-developed areas, nice weather, and the food is top tier. Only con is there is no parking. But one thing I always like to do whenever I travel is to see what my life would look like in different areas if I maintain the same budget. So come join me as we tour multiple apartments in Washington, D.C. with a $4,000 budget for 2 bedrooms. Every unit shown will be between $3,000 to $4,500 with the highest square footage around 1,300 square feet. So enough wasting time, let's take a look at the first complex.
Tori on the beat. Tori on the beat.
Unit 1 was a 2-bed, 2-bath corner unit with 1,075 square feet with south-facing windows so you will get good lighting throughout the day. This was a beautiful unit with large windows, but the view was kind of lackluster. The guest bedroom was a good size, and I like all of the modern finishes throughout the apartment. Light finishes mixed with modern appliances is usually my go-to. Now, the master bedroom was definitely the star. It took up about half of the apartment. Had a nice walk-in closet, and I love the black tiles in the bathroom. It gives a nice moody feel to the space. They didn't have a his and her setup in the master bathroom, which was a little weird, but other than that, I definitely like this unit.
Tori on the beat. Tori on the beat.
Unit 2 was another 2-bed, 2-bath, but with 1,020 square feet. The unit was on the top floor and had a much better view than the last unit shown. However, the master bedroom was much smaller and the finishes weren't as nice as the previous unit. It also felt like the layout of the master bedroom was a bit off. The closet seemed like the space wasn't utilized the best, and there was a pillar in between the windows that kind of threw things off. I did like the layout of the second bedroom and could picture our office setup in there, especially because it had good lighting. It had a nice walk-in closet, and the laundry room was spacious and had space on the side for extra storage. last unit, we wanted to see what their industrial loft looked like because we've never seen one in person. It was a 2-bed, 2-bath with around 1,300 square feet. The unit was large with a very open concept. It was definitely an acquired taste and not really something that I was used to. The unit had a mix of concrete, steel, carpet, and hardwood, along with much older finishes and appliances. I don't think this would be a unit we would grab, but I do have to say the location was prime and I could see why people would be drawn towards an apartment like this. So this is what $4,000 gets you in Washington, D.C. Comment your thoughts down below. Let me know which one of these places you like the most.